Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. Today I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna cook some cornmeal dumpling with banana and yam. Yeah guys, as you can see over here, see me yam and my banana guys. Yeah, some cornmeal dumpling, yam and banana with some curry chicken neck guys. And see in the sink guys, see me chicken neck in the sink. Yeah, that go on to out. So I'm gonna do now guys, I'm gonna light up the stove and I'm gonna go on in the kitchen. You understand me? I did beer badness in the kitchen, guys. Some bad curry chicken neck, cornmeal dumpling, yam and banana, guys. Guys, a beer badness soon come back. Yeah, guys. So light up the stove. So I go on. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do now, guys? Make my water go and boil. I'm gonna clean up the chicken neck them. Yeah, guys. I'm gonna clean up the chicken neck. I'm gonna go on in the kitchen. A beer badness, guys. Beer badness. Me soon come back. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna make my chicken neck go and marinate. You don't know the badness already, guys. What I go do? I go drop in my flour them in the pot. You understand me? Yeah, cause as you can see, water boil up, guys. So I go throw in my flour them and make no sour go on, guys. Soon come back. Yeah, guys. So I go on in the pot there. Be a badness, guys. So what I go do now? I go light up my chicken neck pot and make my chicken neck then go and cook, guys. Guys, I soon come back. Yeah, guys. So I go on in the flour pot, yeah. Food them I go and cook. The overs, yeah, be a badness, guys. Yeah, my curry chicken neck, guys. Guys, the curry, you don't know about on the camera, the curry no look that pretty to me. And when you're looking at the pot naturally, the curry look good. Guys, but be a badness still, so I watch that. Stay tuned for the finishing look, guys. Soon come back. Guys, watch what I go on in the pot. I go throw some water upon it, guys, make you see what I go on. Be a badness. Guys, it look white, not you. The type of curry we buy, guys. The type of curry. Believe that, guys. Just stay tuned for the finishing look still. Be a badness. Yeah, guys, so lock off the flower pot. Don't know the badness. I'm going to cut up some season, guys. Don't know the badness in Nicola's kitchen. See chicken neck. Yeah, don't know. Guys, I be a badness in our kitchen, guys. Be a badness, be a badness. Guys, so this is my ground season for my chicken neck. I don't know how different type of season, guys. Ground season. The overs, yeah. Guys, watch what go on in iPad, guys. Be your badness. See the badness, guys, yeah. I'll cover up my pot. And the king go on sinner, guys. No lie, if you tell them, I don't put no salt in my pot yet. I'm gonna put some salt. Guys, I be a badness. Guys, the curry, I don't like that curry, guys. I don't lie, if you tell you. But yo, the food bad, guys. I don't lie, it tastes good, real good. But you don't know. I will season my food. You understand now the chicken neck. Yeah, so you don't know. The curry, I don't know problem. I don't get the color out of the curry when you look for. Even on the meat, then And guys, me have it on the fire long. You understand how I did that brown. So you don't know about this come down and every curry have the same color. You understand I type of curry when me get. So guys, you don't know the badness. Come down already. Just stay tuned for the finishing look guys. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so you don't know me chicken neck. I go take him off now guys. I don't know the badness. So stay tuned for when in the plate guys. Be a badness in the kitchen. I don't know it come down already. Guys, I'm out. Yeah guys, so this is the finishing look. Curry chicken neck, cornmeal dumpling, yam and banana guys. You don't know the badness. The overs. Yeah guys, I'm out.